Hey everyone, so in this video we're gonna make a Bluetooth controlled car. So let's get into the video. This is an Arduino Uno board. It has an Atmega 328 microcontroller. And I bought an AF motor driver for it. It's a motor driver shield so I can directly mount it. Let's connect the Bluetooth module for it. These wires are for the power supply to the motor driver. We don't need a separate power supply for the Arduino board because the motor driver shield itself powers on the Arduino. And this is a 12 volts lithium ion battery. And now we have to connect the power supply cables for the Bluetooth module. And it works. This is the body of the robot. I have mounted the motors on it using super hot glue. And that's how it looks. I have soldered the jumper wires onto the motors. And now let's check the connections. I have made a hole on the board so that I can get the wires through it and connect it to the motor driver shield. Let's mount the Arduino Uno using double tap. I'm not using super glue on it because the heat may damage the board. I'm doing same for the lithium-ion battery. Actually, a 7.4 volts battery can be enough for this robot if it had only 2 motors. But as I'm using 4 motors, I'm using a 12 volts battery. Let's connect the motor wires to the motor driver shield. Let's put the Bluetooth module back to its place. And that's it. The circuit is completed. Let's put the wheels back. And after this, we have to program the robot. I'm gonna code in embedded C. And we even have to design an app for it to control the robot through Bluetooth. I'm using Arduino IDE to program the robot, and here's the code. The code is open sourced, and I'm gonna paste the GitHub link in the description. Let's upload the code. I'm selecting the port, and that's it. It's Arduino Uno. And while uploading the code, don't forget to disconnect the motor driver shield from the Arduino, because if it's connected, the microcontroller is gonna burn out while the code is being uploaded. we can see those LEDs flashing, and that's it. The code is on the microcontroller. This is the app which I have designed. I created the app using MIT App Inventor. The APK file of the app is in the description. Now, let's test the robot. Let me connect the power cables. And I'm connecting the robot to the app. And there it goes.